impressed with this team whenever I've watched them play throughout any juncture of the season, even without Mr. Durant. Now without a Joel in the lineup, gonna need him more.
So far so good. A swat from Harris. Maxey and Durant going toe-to-toe. The Euro and the finish. And Maxey to the hoop. And the Grizzlies call time. Harris really good in the first quarter. Shot clock winding down. Gotta get it off. Tobias sees it and does just that. 9 for Tobias Harris.
Left-handed, right-handed.
He's got 13 already. Allen averages 16. Harris, the reverse is good. 13 now for Tobias Harris. Maxey over to Matisse. Back to Tyrese. Good ball movement by the Sixers. Harris, yes sir!
Ball movement. Gets to the bucket sometimes, but it's in that middle painted area where he hurts you.
Tobias downhill, drawing the foul and finishing.
He will capitalize on your mistakes and make you pay in a hurry.
Turnover. Harris. There's a whole lot of contact. Not sure how Tobias isn't heading to the line.
Take a look at it from the other side of the floor. I don't know, pick a Grizzly. Either one of them could have committed a foul on that play. Contact from the front, the contact from behind. He can make decisions. He's a playmaker at that spot, which is what you need.
Harris making 27 tonight for Tobias. Good working for him, why not? Tobias turning the corner, high off glass, and in 29 for Tobias.
So this guy was not on my radar. He's good.
I don't think you're alone. Harris, floater, got it, 31 for Tobias.